The world-famous car manufacturer Great Wall Motors has confirmed to enter in the Indian market with their range of SUVs. The company has already showcased their F5 mid-size SUV at the 2020 Indian Auto Expo. The company has a plan to bring this SUV in the Indian market on December 5, 2021 at the expected price between Rs 10 to 15 lakhs ex-showroom. After launch in the Indian market, the SUV will be the rival of Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, Nissan Kicks, MG Hector, Renault Captur, Maruti Suzuki S-Cross and Volkswagen Tiguan. In terms of power, the SUV will get BS6 compliant 1498cc 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine that can generate 168 PS of power and 285 Nm of peak torque. The engine will be mated to an optional 6-speed manual or 7-speed DCT gearbox. It is a 4-wheel drive SUV and will come with 3 driving modes: Standard, Eco and Sport. In terms of exterior design, the SUV gets a sportier rugged look. Up front, it gets sleek LED projector headlights with inserted LED DRLs, sleek front turn indicators at the bottom of the headlights, black and chrome inserted front grille with honeycomb pattern, Havel badging at the center, Fox air inlets, updated front bumper, bumper mounted black and L-shaped chrome inserted LED fog lights housing and front Fox silver skid plate. The side profile gets power heated wide beams with integrated turn indicators, sporty shoulder lines, body color door handles, tinted glass, chrome strip at the windows, roof rail, side body molding, large wheel hooks and new set of 19-inch crystal cut multi-spoke alloy wheels. The rear profile receives new set of horizontally placed tweaked tail lights, Havel badging at the center of the boot, rear washer and defogger, rear wiper, tailgate integrated spoiler, spoiler mounted emergency braking light, rear fog lights housing along with rear reflectors, updated rear bumper with black cladding, chrome tipped exhausts and rear fog silver skid plate. The interior of the SUV has been updated with a number of updated features including the airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials with silver highlights, new silver accented dashboard setup with dash mounted AC vents, D-cut electric power adjustable leather wrap 3-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted controls, 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster with multi-information display, dash mounted infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth navigation system, leather wrapped gear lever and multiple drive modes knob at the center console, smartphone connectivity, USB port, premium sound system, remote trunk opener, ambient lighting, electronically adjustable panoramic sunroof, front and rear cup holders, dual zone auto climate control, rear AC vents, heated front and rear seats with center armrest, rear seats with 60/40 splitting options and bigger boot space. The SUV is equipped with a number of radar-based safety and assistive features including monocoque structure, ABS with EBD, auto emergency braking, electric stability control, engine immobilizer, traction control, high beam assist, child safety lock, hill assist control, auto door lock, rollover mitigation, 6 airbags and 360-degree camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.